Hey my babes, welcome back to another Slay by Mika video. Today we're doing I want to say Jamaican theme, but it kind of turned into something different. But yeah, so we're going to do a black, green, and yellow halo eye. Right now I'm applying my eyeshadow base by Upscale Faces to my eyelid, and I'm going to get my Real Technique brush to slowly blend that out. Taking Juvia's Place No Made palette, I'm going to take that green and I'm going to start placing in the inner and outer corner of my eyelid with my pencil brush by Upscale Faces. Don't forget, you can get her complete brush set with 20% off using code Mika. Just go to upscaleface.com. Now, I'm going to just take that and slowly apply it in the inner and outer corner of my eye to create the halo effect. It's usually best for me to start the eyeshadow right in the inner corner and outer corner of my eyelid because I got hooded eyes, and usually when I started here, it gives me a better look on the halo eye. When I open my eyes, you can see it as well as when I close it. Going in with a lime green out of the Chakra Sensation palette by Rich Glamour Cosmetics, I'm gonna start slowly blending out that dark green. Now I'm going to start just connecting both sides of the eyeshadow so I can slowly start creating the halo effect. This is the Acid Rain Base by P. Louise. I'm going to start using this to place it in the middle of my eyelid. This is in the shade Limited Edition Lamplight. Sunshine, cause I know I got mine. Pimping is a short thing, but you want the heat, I got it. I do it all the time, all around the way I put it. They can step to me, my rap is mad. They say, you don't wanna F with me. Push I on the block, holding my I told you once, now tell you twice. The way. Now going into the Chakra Sensation palette, I'm going to be placing this lamb green, the same lamb green I used to blend out the dark green. I'm going to place that right in the middle of my eye. Placing J. La Rue's loose glitter pigment in the shade Bliss, I'm going to place that right in the middle of my eye to give it a little pop. This is my Milani's eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. I'm going to place that right above my lash line, and I'm going to be making a dramatic wing. All right, y'all. So after I placed this, after 2 failed attempts of the J. La Rue pigment potion that's supposed to turn your your eyeshadow into liner, I just went ahead and used my Fenty Beauty neon liner for this part because, yeah, we weren't going to struggle with that for no longer. So I edited that part out. So this is the Fenty Beauty neon liner. I got this from Amazon. This is super dope and pigmented. I'm going to place this right above the Milani's liner. Now applying my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to my face. I believe the foundation is that I'm using is my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 370. I'm going to apply this to my face and slowly start blending it out. Using my Urban Decay's concealer, placing it right in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to be using this as a highlight. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. And I'm going to place that in between the highlight just to give it more dimension. This is the Volume Master Mascara by Upscale Faces. I'm going to apply that to my lashes to blend them in with the falsies. Now I'm going to take my Real Technique brush and slowly start blending out my concealer. Taking my Mixed Race palette by Planet Makeup by Yolando, I'm going to start contouring my face with it. I stopped using a cream contour because I just think it just seemed like a waste of product to me. And I feel like it gives you a more mattifying finish with the powder contour. So this is the method that I'm doing now. Now, I seen this trick on TikTok and I started using it and I definitely adapted to it, me, myself, as well as what I do with my clients. And I'm using these three. Right now, I'm using two, but I used three in this video. Setting powders, all of them is by Makeup Revolution. The first setting powder I'm using is the white translucent setting powder. And I'm going to place that right in the middle of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with the banana powder and place that on the outer corner of my eye. In which when it sets your face, it gives your face more dimension. I love it. So this is definitely something that I will be adding to my routine. This is the NYX Jumbo Pencil, and the white Jumbo Pencil, I'm going to apply that to my waterline. Then I'm going to go on with my blush palette, and I'm going to be using this shade Daydream, and I'm going to apply that to my upper cheek area. Now I'm going to start applying bronzer. This is from my bronzer palette by Planet Makeup by Yolando. This palette is called the Tropical Vacay palette. And I'm going to put that bronzer pretty much everywhere I put my contour. And this will warm my face back up. After dusting off some of my powder, I went in and started applying color under my waterline. These colors came out of the Chakra Sensation palette by Rich Glamour Cosmetics. I used the yellow, orange, and red. But then I went back in with a neon pigmented orange because I felt like the red and the orange was starting to clash. So I wanted it to be pretty much standing out. So I used a neon pigment from J. LaRue Cosmetics Neon Rainbow Stackable, and I placed that underneath my eye. I used the yellow and the orange out of the stackable. I did the same thing to the other eye, and now I'm going in with the glitter bliss that I used on my eyelid, and I'm gonna place that in my inner corner. One of my babes asked me to put some purple in there, so I put some purple in there for her. And now I'm using Beauty Bakery's Black Truffles or Midnight Truffles Black Matte Lipstick, and I'm gonna apply that to my lips. Now I got the limited edition Lamplight Acid Rain Base. I'm placing that in the middle of my lips to make it match my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with some yellow glitter to give it an extra pop and place that right in the middle of my lips. I got a bunch of assorted glitters from Amazon. So you can go on Amazon, type in glitters, and you will get a bunch of fine assorted glitters. Using the Juvia's Place Loose Pigment, I'm going to place that on my cheekbones. I also went in with that loose glitter bliss and placed that right on top of the highlight. I went in and applied some more highlight to my nose and also to my cupid's bow, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new videos. And until the next time, y'all, peace.